Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome total beginner's workout. No jumping, no equipment. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. First, we're gonna start with 5 big breaths, all right? Arms come up as we inhale. Really fill those lungs, and then exhale, dropping those arms. And again, 2, 3, 4, last one, make it good. And release, very good, shake it out. Next we have high knees for 30 seconds, all right? Knee comes up to you, all right? We don't go down to our knee, nice straight back. You can have your hands on your hips or out or up or in front like this. Really using those core muscles to bring your knee up, all right? So a nice little crunch. We're using those lower abs, all right? That little belly bulge we don't like. Boom. Boom, very good. Nice flex feet, engaging the legs as well, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next we have a torso twist. So you're keeping your legs and your bottom body, the lower body still, all right? We're just twisting the torso, all right? Just going side to side like this, warming up the core, warming up the back. Breathing, chin up, very good. Making sure those hips stay square, right? So we're not going side to side like this. This stays still, just the upper body. Have a nice little bend in the knees that'll help stabilize you a bit more. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, center and release. And that is our warm up. Moving on to our workout. First up, we have a wide knee tap, all right? So kind of mixing our 2 warm-up exercises. High knees, but they're gonna be wide, all right? And we're gonna tap our knees. So twisting, tap, other side, all right? So mixing those 2 exercises we just did, the torso twist with the high knees, very good. If you need to come down, you bring your hands down a little bit more, that's fine. Flexibility looks different on everyone. All right, just try your best. Very good, and 3, 2, 1, center, awesome job. Next we have a reach and tap. I love this one. Same arm, same leg, out and tap. Reach and tap, very good. Going at your own pace, that's the beauty of 30 seconds. All right, you can go a little bit faster than me or a little bit slower, just take your time. Have a nice straight back. Tuck in that tummy, the core is engaged. Nice strong arms, straighten those arms when they come up. No flimsy arms like this. No, boom. Nice straight line from the tip of your fingertips all the way to your toes. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, release, awesome job. Next we have open, up and open arms. So we're gonna go up, stop here, straight, and open, up, open. Now, when you are opening your arms and going up, we're not opening up our rib cage, all right? So we're not going like this, all right? Boom, lock it in. Instead of this, all right, we're tucking in our tummy, tucking in our butt, closing our rib cage, all right? And just working those arms and having control. Stop here, boom, stop here, not back here, right? Nice straight line. Very good. And if you don't know how to close your rib cage, no worries. We have a video here on our channel where Mare explains exactly how to do that. Just word search rib cage. And 3, 2, 1, together and release. Awesome job. Next we have squats, which are good for the entire body. I love squats, all right? Feet are hip width apart and we're sitting in an invisible chair. All right, and then coming up, squeezing your butt, squeezing your muscles. All right, nice straight back. All right, so we're not rounded like this. We're not arched. Boom. Nice straight back. And then repeat. If you need to just go down a few inches instead of all the way, that's fine. Quality over quantity, okay? So we want proper form instead of how fast or how many you do. All right, very good. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze and release. Last but not least, we have some wide butt kicks, all right? A little wider stance, all right? Bend at the knee, and there we have it, some wide butt kicks. If you wanna do some narrow ones, feet a little bit closer together, you can do that as well, all right? Just remember your posture, all right? Tight core, whole body's engaged, even your arms, wherever they are, whether they're on your hips or out or forward, all right, like this. They're nice and strong. Chin up, very good, breathe. And 3, 2, 1, and together. There we have it, set 1. Going right into set 2, big breath. Starting with our wide knee taps. Let's get it.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1, center, reach and tap. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, arms out, up and open arms. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, together, shake it out, squats. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Butt kicks. Finish strong. And 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Shake it out. 2 sets done and dusted. 1 more to go. Big breath.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, center, reach and tap. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Center, arms out, up and open arms. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together, shake it out. Squats. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Butt kicks. Finish strong. And 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Shake it out. 3 sets done. Wonderful job. Now we're going to finish with a nice cool down. Very important. All right. 5 big breaths like we did in the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it good. Fill up those lungs. And release. Very good. Next, we're going to be doing around the world. 15 seconds one way. All right. Coming to the side, up, all the way. Reach for the ground, the toes, or if you don't want to go down all the way, at least in front of you. All right, coming back. Very good. One more. And up and the other way. Very good. One more, all the way around. Up and release. Very good. Ending it with some dynamic hamstring stretches. All right, heel on the floor, toes go up. We're gonna reach, straight arms, straight back, coming up and then switching in a continuous motion. This should feel very good right here in the hamstrings, to the back of the thighs. You might even feel it in your calves. All right, very good. Nice tight tummy, even though we're stretching, coming down in, sucking that tummy. And 3, 2, 1, and celebrate. We are done. That was your total beginners workout. I hope you loved it. It's actually great for all levels. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.